In this lesson, we're going to learn how to change the focus to make objects stand out. So in the top picture, you'll see that everything is in focus. But down here in this picture, the background is blurred, which makes the car stand out more. Start the PS Express app, and I'm going to tap the car picture. Then I'm going to tap the adjustments and scroll across until I can tap blur. There's two options, radial and full. If I tap full and then slide the blur amount across, the whole picture blurs. If I tap radial, I get this circle target, and I can make it different sizes. And then I can slide the amount of blur across, and you'll see that it blurs outside the circle, which kind of helps. But an even better way to control your focus is to tap the background and then adjust the blur. And notice how the car stays nice and sharp and the background is blurred. Tap your share icon and save your picture to your camera roll. And if you want, you can add a sticker.